If your company is online or if you're wanting to go online, clearly some legal precautions need to be taken. If you are a company that's incorporated in India or you want to target computers, computer systems or computer networks that are physically located in India, then you will have to ensure compliance with the prevailing law in India. India has in place its cyber law, being the Information Technology Act 2000. This particular legislation has been amended by the Information Technology Amendment Act 2008. In a nutshell, what is it that a company needs to be careful of when it goes online? The first thing is that it needs to ensure that its operations are in compliance with the prevailing law, being the Information Technology Act 2000. Number two, you will have to ensure that whatever information that you are generating, transmitting, sending or receiving, you must be in a position to legally retain it in the right legal manner. The IT Act 2000 and the rules made thereunder have certain parameters that will need to be complied with by any company that wants to go online or that is already online for its business operations. Another major thing that you need to be careful about is that you need to keep your computer platform in a secure manner so that others cannot unauthorizedly come inside and either secure access or copy, download or extract data, introduce any computer contaminant or virus, or in any case disrupt or damage the working of your relevant computer platform. Further, you will also be required to adopt and implement reasonable security practices and procedures in case if your company is dealing with sensitive personal data. And there are large number of parameters of data which qualify as sensitive personal data, including passwords, including usernames, including bank records, credit card details, debit card details, and even details pertaining to medical records and sexual orientation. In case if your platform is misused for any criminal activity, you have to remember that the law enforcement could reach out to your company and your top management could be in trouble. And finally, if you're a company who's online, you have to be alive to the basic fact that your company is an intermediary under the Information Technology Act 2000. This is so because your company, when it goes online, it on behalf of another person receives, stores or transmits any particular data or provides a service with respect to the said data. And if you're an intermediary, under Section 79 of the IT Act, you are required to ensure and exercise due diligence while you discharge your obligations under the law. Further, you have to also comply with the various rules and regulations made in India under the Indian Information Technology Act 2000. These also include the Information Technology Rules 2011. These are, in a nutshell, the various things that you need to be careful about when your company goes online or if your company is online. If you're not careful, you could potentially learn the hard way. You could realize that your company could be sued for damages by way of compensation up to 50 million rupees in Sections 43 of the IT Act. In addition, any criminal activity done through your company's network could expose the top management of the company to potential legal consequences. Thus, any company which is either online or which is about to go online must exercise due diligence and ensure that it complies with the relevant parameters of prevailing law in India.